You've been searching for that perfect appetizer to serve your friends who are coming over this evening. Well, don't hit the panic button, because we got you covered here at the Side Guy Cooks with Greek chicken wings. So let's get started. Let's make the marinade. Using fresh lemon juice is best. Now let's prepare the chicken wings. Genomic studies suggest that chickens were first domesticated 8,000 years ago in Southeast Asia. Set the timer for 50 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Let's prepare the creamy feta dressing. The Greeks have been producing cheese for thousands of years. However, the word feta wasn't used until the 1700s. Set the timer for 8 minutes. Only 8 minutes in the oven this time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Those look great right out of the oven. Garnish with lemon zest and flat leaf parsley. Let's try one of these amazing Greek chicken wings. Now that's a really good chicken wing. The Greek marinade creates an incredible flavor profile for these chicken wings. The lemon and herb garnish is amazing. And of course, the creamy feta dressing is a greater compliment to the wings. You and your guests will really enjoy them. Join the community. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Your table looks amazing. Stay with us for a while. Watch another video.